In the presence of divine, with the Agni Deva, the god of fire, as our witness, say I.
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 Tell your name.
Tell your name.
I don't know about soulmates and destiny, but what I truly believe is that you have the full capacity and you have the full ability to exactly get the kind of person you want. We feel like we've gone through a pile of dirt to finally clean up everything, and then I saw there Raghav standing. I don't think I can do better than Raghav.
Anything you're really looking forward to in the evening?
Just getting married.
Irá hacia el cielo, pajarillo, hasta que puedas alcanzarlo. Hambre, miedo, frío, alondrita, y se acaba tu calvario.
We met on our cousin's wedding. So she was on stage speaking and I noticed her on stage. It was a Sangeet, so we had our performances, they had their performances. And once our performances were done, I just thought I'd just go and say hi. She said hi back and her first words to me were, "Do you want to have a shot?"
And the funny part is he actually did the shot considering the fact that he doesn't drink. After that, I think all throughout even the wedding, we were just together. We would talk and we'd chill, and it just sort of instantly clicked.
Crazy all night.
We're completely different personalities. I'm loud and I'm all over the place, and he's just this nice, subtle, quiet kind of a person. I think that sort of, makes things even more fun because the parts where I'm missing out, he sort of fills it up.
Las plumas de los cuervos del pasado. I'll take you to the sun.
The first day that we met, I sent her a text the next day saying it was so nice meeting you, and she said that's what she appreciated the most, and so did I. You could just be and do whatever you want without that hesitation. It was just easy. We still don't remember when we officially started dating. So we did have one conversation where we said, look, if it's going to go any further from here, it has to end up in marriage or we stop it right here, and neither of us hesitated to walk down that path, and we're here today.
I can see you breathing, but you're hardly moving. A life with no life.
I don't really believe in that there's one person who is perfect for you, but I do believe in that you will inevitably meet someone in your life to call your true love and to make every effort imaginable so that you guys can be together. The way you differentiate true love from just a friendship is, in a friendship, you make a reluctant compromise, but in true love, you make a happy compromise without a second thought. Of course, it takes effort, but it's the effort that's worth it. That's what true love is essentially for me.
I'll be your eyes, I'll be your ears. Just
Both Raghav and I have put in a lot of work into this wedding, and we genuinely made it a point that our families are not troubled in this whole thing. So for the two of us, the most important thing in these 2 days is to make sure that not just us, everybody with us is extremely happy and having a good time.
to the end of time.
relationship with Raghav has been something completely out of my comfort zone. Like, I have literally been in situations that I never even imagined that I was capable of being a part of. But the one thing that I'm really, really looking forward to is the fact that, he's given me this amazing opportunity to really, really live my life on my terms and the way I want. And I'm really looking forward to building a good life for the two of us and to make sure that he's happy.
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला।
More than anything, true love is genuinely being compatible with each other. It's just so important because you could be like in a crowd of people and two of you all sitting in one corner and having a good time. For me, that is true love. For me, it wasn't instant, to be honest. It was not. It took a lot of time. I'd say we've been together for like more than 2 years now. It's just that every single day I realize more and more that he is for me and that, I fall more and more in love with him.
कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के।
So I have a theory, I've told this to Naveli as well, it's that every person is different and every two people together are exponentially more different. So every relationship is different. It's very difficult to compare two people in one situation to two people in the other situation, even if one person is common. So your marriage is what you make of it. It's just that you need to have that goal in your mind that yes, this is the person I want to be with. We're going to see through each other no matter what, and that for us is the ideal role model marriage. And since we've been together for 2.5 years now, it's sort of like in our minds we're already married. These last 2 days is more about bringing our families together and just making them see our relationship and how happy it's making us and how happy it's making everyone, and just coming together of both the families, because of course we come from two different communities, though we slowly realized that it's pretty much the same.
ਸ਼ਗਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਮਾਹੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਹੀ ਨਾਮ, ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਤੁਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੇ। ਤਾਰੇ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਚੰਨਾ ਵੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਖਾਤਰ ਸਾਰਾ ਜਹਾਂ, ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਵੇ। ਓ ਬਾਬੁਲ ਦੀ ਨਿੱਕੀਆਂ ਬਾਵਾਂ, ਅੰਮੀ ਦੀ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਦੁਆਵਾਂ, ਸਾਰੀ ਸਖੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੰਭਾਲ, ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਾਹੀਆਂ, ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ढोलना, मैं ते जाना तेरे नाल।
We shall enjoy equal status and authority in every field of life, and with loving devotion help each other to carry out.
I had no plans of getting married. I was very cynical, but there's no other reason not to. Like, I want to be with her all the time. It's just so easy. The fact that she not only tolerates my weirdness, but she enjoys it and she looks forward to it. The fact that she always puts me before any other thought of hers, like I'm always on her mind in whatever small thing she does. And it's just so rare to meet someone like that. To be with her just convinces you so easily. It's like, if someone can care for me so much and I can care as much for them, then let's get married. Like, there's no question.